Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to review unit number 1.
وعليكم الترجية.
Alaikum salam Sam.
Hello.
Yes, hello. I am here with you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. How are you, Umar?
Fine.
Great. Okay. So we have today a review about unit number 1. Okay.
Okay.
As we started unit number 1, the topic is the way we see things. The way we see things. So as you see the name, it depends on light and dark and reflection. So this is our unit number 1. Here we have word cloud. Omar, open your mic and read the words, please.
Okay. Evaluate, ray, depict,
Depict,
depict, beam, object, interpret, light
interpret,
graph, interpret, light graph, mirror, translucent, light source, transparent object, transparent, opaque surface, reflect, recognizing,
repeat,
repeat,
measurement.
measurements.
Thank you. So these are words on page number 6. Can you remember how light travels?
Yes, sir, can I?
Teacher, I can
Yes.
say I'm Khalid Muhammad. I'm Khalid Muhammad.
Yes, Khalid
Sir, can I?
Mohammed.
Okay.
Hi, teacher.
Hello.
I can say Khalid Muhammad.
Yes, Khalid Mohammed. Tfaddal.
Can you remember travels right to facts? Light travel in a straight line. What I say? Speed.
Very high speed. Light travels in a straight line at very high speed. That's good. Okay, Abdullah Leham, list 3 light sources that you can see today. Abdullah Leham, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. List 3 light sources. Come on, Abdullah.
What, sir?
What? List 3 sources. Are you with me?
What?
Abdullah, first you sit down and concentrate in the class.
What, sir?
Umar Muhammad.
What?
Wait, Abdullah Leham.
Sir, please, what?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Yes, Omar. Okay, tell me list 3 light sources. Page number 6.
Lamp, sun, the lamp of mobile.
Light source.
Thank you. Okay.
Beacon.
Lamp, bulb, the sun. Okay. Then Muhammad Somali, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Muhammad, please tell me 2 good reflectors of light.
Of light. The sun.
Reflectors of light. Good reflectors of light.
Can I see it?
Nadeem, can you say? Wait, Umar, I will call your name. Nadeem.
Yes, it's
Yes, good reflectors of light.
think iron, metal,
Metals, okay, and
mirror,
mirror. Nice. Okay, then Omar Yasir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, poor reflectors of light.
Wood and rock.
Great. Like this, answer like this. Very good, Omar Yasir. Yazan,
Yes, teacher.
how do you know moon is not a source of light? Sorry, Yazan, open again. Yazan, open your mic again, please. Yazan, can you hear me?
Oh, sorry. I thought I was unmuted, teacher.
Okay, you were, but it was by mistake. Okay. How did the moon landing prove to us that the moon is not a light source?
If it was a light source, it
Yeah.
would be too hot and bright.
Excellent. Yeah, Yazan. Thank you. Abdullah Faisal.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What do you think the far side of the moon looks like?
Okay, it is dark and cold.
Okay, it is dark and cold. Muhammad Noor, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me
Teacher,
light source, which is not a light source here. Sun, candle, eyes, torch, lamp.
Eyes, 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 eyes.
Eyes. Very nice. Thank you. Okay, then we have Professor Muhammad Al-Amri.
Yes.
Muhammad Abdullah Al-Amri. Write the name of material that reflects a lot of light.
1 minute, teacher.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes. It's page number 7.
glasses. Glasses.
Okay, glass. Anything else, Muhammad Noor? Do you think?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
The
Right
moon
name.
is
No, this one.
okay. Okay. Yes, metal.
Metals. Yes, nice. Okay. Then we have when light bounces off an object, it is called Umar. Umar, open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
teacher,
This
teacher.
is called
Which one? When light bounces off an object, it is reflected.
reflection. Nice.
Teacher,
Yes.
write name of metal that reflect a lot of light. Glass, Harry.
Yes, glass. Somebody said glass. I was just checking. Glass and metals. Okay, that's fine. They said only one, but we discussed two. No problem. Okay. Omar Muhammad. Omar Muhammad. How do
Yes,
we make
teacher. Yes,
how do we
teacher.
make shadows, ya Habibi?
Shadows are made when light is blocked.
Excellent. Thank you. Abdullah Faisal.
Yes, teacher.
How do we make shadows?
Okay. Shadows are made when to when dish light is blocked.
Excellent, yeah, Abdullah. How does the light travel, Abdullah? Muhammad
Yes,
Abdullah
teacher.
Al-Amri. No. Thank you, Abdullah Faisal. Muhammad Abdullah Al-Amri.
Yes.
How does the light travel?
What?
How does the light travel? Light travels in a
I can say
When, teacher?
yes, Khalid.
light travel in a straight line.
It's written here. Light travels in a straight line. So it's written here. Abdullah Rakkis, okay? Just 1 second. Okay. On next page, we have Write down what you find out about the size of the shadow as you move the light source nearer to the object. If you bring the light object near to the object, what will happen?
The object will be
Sir,
bigger.
can I?
The object
Yes.
will be bigger.
The
The
shadow will
shadow
be bigger.
becomes bigger. The shadow becomes bigger.
Bigger. Bigger. Big.
Yes, okay. Omar Yasir,
Yes, sir.
light travels in a straight line. Is it true?
Yes, it is true. Light travels in a straight line.
Great. Nadeem, when light hits a transparent material, it passes through it. Transparent. Nadeem. Nadeem, are you there? Osama.
Yes, teacher. Yes, yes.
Okay, when the light hits a transparent material, it passes through it. Is it true?
Yes.
Okay. Osama. Asil, are you there? Asil, can you hear me?
Don't see. I don't see.
Yazan, open your mic. Yazan.
Teacher, I can say,
Yes, Khalid, please.
okay, when light hits an opaque metal, it can pass through. False. Teacher,
Okay. When it hits opaque material, it can pass through.
false.
False. Excellent. Because
Because
the opaque object does not allow light to pass through it. So that's why we can
Teacher,
make
no light.
dark shadows. Last
No
one,
light.
Abdullah Faisal. Shadows are formed when light passes through a transparent material. True or false?
Okay. False.
False, because when the light passes through something, it doesn't make shadow. Thank you,
Shadow.
Abdullah Faisal. Next. Here we can see some uses of mirrors. As you know, we have mirrors to use in many things, like we use mirrors in our cars, in medical, and to decorate our buildings. We use in our homes. So there are many uses. Okay. From the mirror, light is reflected or light passes through?
Sir, light is reflected.
Light
Teacher is
is
reflected.
That's nice.
Reflected.
Okay, good. Okay. Then here we have the journey of light when the light beam rays can be reflected from surface, including mirrors. So we
Teacher.
have discussed. Yes,
Teacher,
yes, I'm with you.
my Wi-Fi is bad because it makes the Zoom makes me leave and reconnect.
Okay, no problem. I was calling you. That's why I thought maybe you are not there. Okay, when you see your mirror, when you raise your right hand, your reflection raises right hand or left hand?
Sir, left hand.
Left hand. It's
Hand.
opposite. Nice. Okay. Okay, then I have some questions. Between the angle of incidence here and the normal line, this one, what is it? From here to
Teacher,
angle of
teacher.
incidence. Yes, Abdullah.
I am Abdullah Faisal, 45.
45, because this angle is how much total?
Mirror, teacher.
No. This angle, هذا
90.
الزاوية كم?
90.
90 degree. Excellent.
90,
This
90,
is-
yes, 90.
Yes, this is 90 and this is half. Yani this is the middle. Half is 45. That's why this is 45. Thank you. Then Muhammad Noor, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Question number 2. Read and answer.
The ray from the mirror to the wall is called angle of reflection.
Angle of reflection. Is it right, Omar Yasir? Question number
Sir,
2.
no, it is incident ray.
Yes. The ray from the mirror to the wall. The ray from the mirror to the wall is
It's called reflected ray. Sorry, sir.
incident ray. The ray from the light source towards the wall. When it will be reflected, this is called angle of reflection or reflected ray. The ray is called reflected ray. The angle is called angle of reflection. This Zavia. This one is called angle of incident and the ray is called incidence ray.
Okay, sir.
Next page. Okay. Muhammad al-Somali. Muhammad Ibrahim al-Somali.
I can say
Yazan, can you hear me now? Okay, Khalid.
teacher.
Khalid, explain
sir,
why
my
a leaf
Wi-Fi,
appears green.
Only the green colors is reflected.
Yes, only the green color is reflected. Nice. Okay. Why do objects appear to be white? Omar Yasir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why do some objects appear to be white?
Sir, what? I can't hear you.
This question, please. You can see the screen. Why do some objects
Yes, I can see it.
appear to be white? If you see white color,
Oh,
what is
okay,
that?
sir. All the light is reflected.
All the light is reflected. Excellent.
Reflected.
Okay, Umar.
Yes, sir.
Umar Ala. Why
Yes,
some objects to be black? They appear black.
because none of the light is reflected.
Yes. Or you can say all the light is absorbed. Thank you, Umar Ala. Okay. Next we have okay. If you have some favorite color, anyone, orange or blue or green, why this happens? Why? How can you see this color?
Only the color we see is
Only the
reflected.
color we see is reflected.
Thank you, Umar.
Only
Thank
the
you, Abdullah.
color we see is reflected.
Only the color we see is reflected. That's why we see that color, except black and white. Because when there is black, all the light is absorbed. When when the thing is white, object is white, all the light is reflected. Okay.
So I can say number 1, what colors make what
Yes,
white light?
Khalid. Yes, Fadda.
All the colors a rainbow make white colors.
Light. White light or white color. Thank you. Abdullah Muhammad, now open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Explain why a red t-shirt appears red.
Only the red color is reflected.
Excellent. This, Abdullah. If I ask question, you should answer quickly. Okay. Why does a blue top looks blue daylight but looks gray when it is getting dark? Umar Yasir.
Sir,
Teacher, I am Abdullah Faisal.
Omar Yasser.
Only blue is reflected, but when it is getting dark, there is
Yeah.
not enough light to be reflected.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Okay. Page number 20 and 21. On page number 20, we have how do our eyes see? This is a revision or review. Okay.
أستاذ.
Omar Ala.
يا أستاذ أنت حليت نمبر 21.
No.
No. We will do it now. Yes, Omar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number 1. This one.
Okay. You hear students discussing how we see things. One student say that our eyes ultimately emit light which shines on an object, and that is how we see. Explain why this is not true. The light is reflected from objects to our eyes.
Yes. The light is reflected from the object to our eyes, not our eyes emit the light. So that is why we see things because of reflection. Okay. Who will answer? Asil, can you hear me? Dr. Umar Muhammad. Yes, doctor. Explain how this person is making shadow on the wall.
The boy is blocking the light by using his hand.
Yes, thank you. Okay, now page number 21. On page number 21, we have question. A boy is ill in the bed. Okay. The bed is placed in front of the window. Yani sharir mawjood in the window shubak. So he has something to look at. Yani in washuf barra. Across the road, there is a new office block. It made using a lot of glasses. The boy can see the reflection of his house on the surface of the glass. How can the boy see his own house? Okay. Actually, the light is shining on the boy's house, bounces back or bounces off and hits the glass building opposite, which reflects
can
the
you write
light back into the boy's eyes. Yes.
Sir, can you please say it again because your voice was cutting?
Okay, I can. Why not? The question is, let me explain to you. The question is, one boy is ill, okay, and he has his bed in front of the window. Here, this is the window and this is his bed. Okay, the boy is here. The boy is here. Okay, understand?
Understand, sir.
Now,
Yes.
okay. Now the boy is watching from the window. Here, there is a building. There is a building and there is glass on the building. Okay, the building is made of glass. Okay, and he can see here the reflection of his house here. How? The question is how he can see the reflection of his house, because there is a light source. Okay, and maybe there is sun or maybe there is street light, whatever. The light is coming. Okay, understand? Touching this.
Yes. So,
Okay,
so
sir.
I write because so I should write the because the source of light.
Okay, the light is going towards the building, towards everywhere. Okay, then the light comes to the house. Okay,
Okay.
then bounces off from here. Light bounces off, hits that glass
Building.
and bounces off again into the eyes of the boy. Understand?
Okay.
The light comes to
Yes.
the house,
Yes.
touches the house, bounces off. Yani reflected.
Yes, sir.
Touches the glass, then again bounces off and comes into the boy's eyes. Now you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
right,
So we will
because there
write.
is a light source.
No, I will write here for you. This one. Let me just select the text. Okay. So we will write here. The light shining on the boy's house bounces off, then hits the glass and reflects into boy's eyes. That's how he can see. The light shining on the boy's house bounces off, then hits the glass on the opposite side of the building, that one, and then reflects into the boy's eyes. This one here, let me just make it correct. This S is wrong. This E, there is no E. Okay. reflects, reflects, not E. This is wrong. Mistake. Boy's eyes. Okay. I can make a prediction about how a ray travels. Yes, we can, because you know the light ray comes from this side, then reflects on the same angle. Then I can draw a ray diagram. Diagram you can see on page number 17. On page
So it
17.
will be yes.
Yes, look, this one. This is diagram of the reflection. So you can make it, right? So this will be checked. Will be checked like tick. Light changing direction.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Umar Yasir, please read this.
If you drop a bouncy ball, it will bounce back in a straight line into your hand. If you throw the ball at the angle of the ground, it will be bounce off at the same angle and travel in a different direction. This is what happens when the light is reflected off a mirror. What is the name of four angle of the light as it reaches the mirror?
Yes, what is the angle name? Angle of?
Angle of incidence and angle of reflection.
Yes, so they are asking from the ball reaches the mirror. So this is called angle of incidence.
Reflection.
Incidence, because it is happening first.
Okay,
Angle
sir.
of reflection will be after the second movement. It will touch the surface and
بكرة عربي لا بكرة عربي استنى لا بكرة عربي بس
angle of incidence. If you want to talk in Arabic, you can close your mic.
Abdullah Laham is talking to his.
Yes, he is talking and he is talking in Arabic, mashallah. Angle of incidence. Okay. Next question.
I am sorry.
Which is a statement. No, you are not sorry. You should bring a Pepsi to all of us. Okay. Don't say sorry. I know why a beam light changes the direction when it is reflected. Okay, because it is reflecting. I know that angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. I can draw ray diagram showing the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Yes, I told you on page number
Yes.
17 you have this diagram. Okay,
Sir.
next question. When you see a red car, what has happened to all the other colors of the rainbow? What has happened to the other colors? All the other colors? All the colors except red have been absorbed. Okay, and the red is reflected. You know that. Okay. I know that white light is made up of different colors, 7 colors. I can explain why we see certain colors because of reflection, because the color we are watching or we are seeing, that is reflected. I can use different filters to change the colors of the light. Yes, we can use. Finished, wala baki?
Oh,
Sir, what did you say?
Finished or not?
Finished.
Okay.
I'm finished. I'm Khalid Muhammad.
Nice. Thank you, Khalid.
I finished way
Well,
Mister,
before.
I have finished. Mister, I
Nice.
have finished.
Okay, thank you.
I have finished.
Okay, boys, that's good.
Teacher, I am Muhammad Nur. I didn't finish. Wait, teacher, please.
Okay, I will send the picture in the group as well. Okay, after some time, I will send you picture for this work. Okay. Don't
Teacher,
use,
is
but
this
yes,
it for this day?
yeah, this is it for today. If you want to leave, okay, you can leave if you have finished.
Sir, I have finished.
Bye.
Leave.
No,
Yeah.
I,
So B, I will send you this video, revise this video as well for your exam because we have exam this week, right? For science.
Yes,
Okay,
number
sir.
1.
but
So you will have
but I
from
want
yeah.
Teacher, I can leave.
but
Yes.
I wanted to ask you something. I can prediction about how a ray of light travels. I put check.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All
Why we put the check? Because you know that if the light is coming from this way, where it will go? It will go straight up.
No.
No, it will go on the same angle, right? So you
Yes.
can predict if it is coming from down like this, it will be reflected like this on the same angle. It is coming like this, it will be reflected like this. So this is the same as you can predict. Okay, boys, see you next time. Thanks for
See
joining.
you.
See you, inshallah, Omar and everybody. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.